Hi, back again to the Golang Microservices full course. And in the previous video, we have already implemented the email verification, right? And currently, we will go to the forgot password and then reset password. So basically, we will build the OTP infrastructure from the episode 16, which is the previous video, to implement forgot password flow. So we create a public endpoints for password reset, and that's no need to have authentication, right? And then implement secure password reset using OTP. Then we prevent email attacks by always returning success response. So we will learn about security best practice as well for password reset flow in this episode. And before we starting to code, ensure that you have already completed the last episode, which is the email verification, because in that episode we already implement the OTP codes. And this one, wait, I will click the merge pool, and we have a OTP code stable migration. We have a SMTP email configuration with mailhawk, and then the email sender helper, which is the email.go in the internal email, this one. And we have a OTP repository, which is this one. And we have a OTP model, this one. So I think we will try to implement in this episode, but you must know that we also consider the security. What is the security that we want to create here? I think bad approach, first bad approach. And I think first, when we implement the password reset, we must prevent of attackers from discovering which email address that are registered or not. So because if we response like email not found, it would make the attacker can knowing what email that's true, what email that registers or not. So the good approach, I think we can just respond such as, if the email is registered, reset code will has been sent has been sent. So this will make the attacker don't know this is exists or not in our database, this email is exists or not in our database. So let's begin. First, I want to check out -p0 feature 017, which is forgot password. Okay, and now we are going to add the service in which one, OTP, I think OTP, and then service OTP, and then no OTP, I think. Wait, we have which one? The generate and send OTP. Generate and send OTP. Wait, send OTP, verify OTP. We have in the OTP request, in the handler. I think in the user handler, I think we add here. So we create new one in the service. This one should be generate and send OTP. Which one, for the generate and send OTP? Generate and send OTP. Which one that we trying to do in last episode. We have repository generate. No, this one is OTP and email. I think email, this and email. Okay, I think we don't have yet last time, but when verify email, here is in handler. I want to check verify email. Sorry, I need to recall first. Last time that we create the send OTP, here is, I will check first that we randomize ran.integer in service user in register. Okay. So this is in register, and I think I will create in the user repository, user handler, sorry, user service. I'm sorry. Here should be request password reset. I want to have context, and I want to have email as a string and error first, and then after that we will verify password reset. First is context, email string, and code should be string, and string with error as a restriction. So I want it to copy here. I will paste here, and for this one I copy first this one. Okay, I think this should be okay. I add and break a line here, and in the reset password I will find the user. Do we have the this one, find by email? I want to have find by email, not right email, dot I want it as user email string. Okay, email. This one return only error, and then return, I think what we have, I think I need to create s.generate and send OTP. Here should be user ID, and yeah, and user dot email first, email, and I want to create the send the OTP, the generate OTP. First is here in the upper, I think. Wait, generate and send OTP here. Generate and send OTP should be context, user ID, email type string, and error. User ID is string, this one also string, and OTP type also string. And for this I want to create here, wait, verify email should be okay, and I want to create here function. Yeah, this one first is generate 6 digit OTP code. The last one we only randomize. Yeah, I think I wanted to make it create me the randomize, create me to generate 6-digit OTP safely. Don't use random integer. Okay, I think I will try to copy from the repository that the repository or the handler that in the last time we try. Yeah, this one I think save to db, right? Save to db, this one, because I want this as a verify email, as a this one should be cut first as a service, so this one should be good. Then and then what is this? Return nil user.email I think. Wait a second. He create okay, I think this should be accept first, and generate and send OTP is should be accept first. This one I don't want to make it error by the AI. Let me check first. Let me try to use what he have done. Test generate OTP, test OTP. This one generate OTP is use generator as a service OTP. This one use crypto random. This one should be good, because we don't want to have the randomized not with the crypto, so this one is nice. I think I want to accept this, and the service .go that we want is here. So generate OTP that he create for me, fix handler, what he already done with me, randomize integer. Wait, I think I wanna don't save first, and here for the verify register, I think the register. So he was use generate and send OTP, the email verification, and he used the generator, which is the okay. So first, right, he is change the generate and send OTP, adding the new function here, because the register is last time we randomized, right? Random with the rand.integer and reader big new integer. That's not good, so we need to use the generate OTP with crypto randomize, because this is more secure, and avoid using random reading, using rejection. Okay, this one should be nice. And then OTP create, if OTP if email verification, then go wallet verify your email. This should be okay. If then OTP type is password reset, then write this for the password reset. This one should be good. And for the verify password, I think verify password user repo get by email, this should be okay. Good, get by email should be okay, this one. And then after that, get OTP, active OTP, because we have active OTP in the verify email, so we just copy directly, and then big max as used. Okay, think this one should be good. So find by email, get by email, it should be okay. Update password. Wait, we need what? And then we need another, which is Microservices out generate token. What is this mean? Reset token. I think request password is string is not sending the token. I'm sorry for this. I will try to change, generate and send OTP, forgot password. We're likely to try about the password, update the password, and then JSON acceptance criteria. Verify password reset is using user service, which is the find by email, generate OTP. Verify password reset should be written. This one I don't want, and I return the user.id, and then after that, wait, and then after that I want to go to the find by email, should be get by email is same. Okay, get by email should be okay. Here I want to check, select query role context, this should be noted, this should be okay, but here is user not found. So here I think I need to create a new, should be not user not found, should be cannot open. I want to create find by email, get by email, no error, get by email, no error, and then we return nil and nil here because we don't want, right? And here get by email, no error, not found. So get by email, no error, not found. I will add here service test. What is this using? Mock repo. So here also get by email, adding new, and then use the get by email, no error, not found. Okay, and then I think the service should be fine, but get by email, no error, not found, and we cannot return not found, invalid request, if error user equal, if error not nil, or user equal nil, we return custom error, http, we return custom error, internal server, invalid OTP or verification. Okay, this one should be nice. Okay, Then generate OTP. For the function generate OTP, we have if OTP type here. Okay, change to switch case, because maybe later we have another, not only the password reset and email, so we change to switch case. And then after that we create the update password in the MySQL user repository. Here I want to create update password context ID string password hash and error. Then here I add the function are MySQL repository and password reset. The update password should be update user set password hash where ID and deleted is null. We add the mock repository here. Then update verification status, update password, yeah, this one. Okay, then after that we add the mock as well, yeah. After that we create the handler password repository handler in the OTP internal OTP handler. We don't have handler yet, yeah. Request password OTP request password. Do we have verify password here? Request password OTP, which is in the handler user. Verify email, I think can be here, yeah. Function type password reset request struct email string and then JSON colon email, then binding colon again require an email, and then oh wait, here he forgot password request forgot password. Okay, this request password result bind JSON and request password reset and see request context and red.email. Always return success, yeah. Always return success. So here I don't want, because like this. So here we don't want anything. OTP if the email is registered. Wait, if the email is registered, a password you will receive OTP code, an OTP code, yeah, something like this. And then we verify password request with the email code and new password and new password, not new password hash, but this should be password new confirm password pending required egg field equivalent, yeah, egg field is equivalent, and new password new confirm password and equivalent. Is this okay? I think okay. Then we create the function for this one. I think I will check first is this works, and then after that, yeah, seeing verify password Godok, and then here should be summary, password reset, descriptive, verify user password, reset using OTP, and then should bind JSON first, password reset request, invalid input, and then here verify verify password reset. I think, do we have password reset? Verify password reset. Okay, and first we send the rec.email and then rec.otp. No, rec.code. Verify password reset. First we should only create request.code and no request.password. Assignment mismatch, one variable but SVC is written 2. So first user ID and error. So if error, see error, invalid OTP, because this one should be OTP, invalid OTP, I think, yeah, correct. And this one, see error.error, because we have already sent this one. And then hash password for now. Okay, set context has the password. And bcrypt generate and bcrypt, okay, and then default cost. And here, do we have bcrypt in here? Bcrypt should be in where? For the register, this one register should be in SVC, yeah. Verify password reset. We should create the function here. We cannot always send here, right? So I think in here is not good. Then password reset successfully. I want to have here, no, I don't want to make it in here. So verify password reset, and I want to create a new here function update, yeah, should be user reset password. And this one reset password, here I add here, okay. And this should be have an error because we should have been, the handler test is need to create mock user service should be have error, I think. Mock user service, verify password reset, and then create, yeah, function reset password. And yeah, we have this one. The handler is still error, no problem. Here in reset password, in here I wanted to have hash password. First is user ID, update password, reset password, get by email, update password. I want to have, because here is get by email, error not found is in the verify password reset. And request password reset also get by email, error not found. Don't forget for this verify password is verify password, I think okay lah, this one. We don't need to create another find by email, so here just the bakery one, bakery hash password using bakery, and then like this hash password, new password. In here we don't need the code, I think. Yeah, we don't need the code, and I will remove this code. And then in the handler password, the code should be deleted as well. Here also no. And then after bcrypt we update the password as user.email. Update password using what? ID. Yeah. Okay, then ID. Here also ID. So okay, this should be good if error internal server, right? But in here in the handler we have user ID, then here user ID should be passed to the reset password. If error HSCCR is reset password, error not nil, we send here. I think this should be okay. Reset password, and then yeah, let me check by testing the API, but for now I think please check the code that has been changed. Is there any broken or not working code? If all is good, please add the unit test and the API doc if there is not exist yet. Okay, then I will go run cmd cd the monolith and go run cmd main.go. Okay, I think should be connection refuse. Okay, sorry, retrying, they are attempting, max retry is 3, so I will create the docker, I will open the docker, sorry. I think retrying error connection, this is retrying error attempt. I will go run cmd first. Why here they don't, you wrong request password reset. Okay, this one should be good. Invalid OTP, no, right? Get user by email, error not found. Okay, invalid OTP, yeah. Okay, this one should be okay because the error is blending the user, so it should be nice for this. And then I will try to open the Postman and password reset for which one? To password reset should be in main.go. I need to create here, yeah, I forgot, sorry. And the AI is good for this. And then user forgot password and verify password reset. This one should be good. Pause, dismiss first. I want it to duplicate. This one is forgot password. Forgot password. Body, oh, not found. So I need to rerun. And here the body should be email. I think freelance. No, the hater at example.com. If mail is registered, you will receive an OTP code. And then I want to open the mail hook, which is this one. If I get this one should be good, hater example.com, and then I duplicate, and then this one should be reset password, verify reset password, verify reset password, and here the code is, and then the email is hater. Then don't forget here, and then new password should be hater. Password, new secret password, and then new confirm password, new secret password. Okay, we don't run this yet. I want to make it first is error, which is 1. This should be verify reset password is not fun. Verify password reset, sorry, password reset here. Okay, invalid OTP. We have the invalid OTP 1. If we create the correct OTP and with the wrong email, invalid OTP. Okay, this one should be good. And if with the different password, verify password should be equivalent, yeah. And then equivalent. Okay, equivalent. This should be okay, but I'm not sure that this is good for invalid input error. If not, I think, yeah. Okay, wait, we have okay, this one should be accept and this one accept. Okay, the handler, if new password and new confirm password is not match, please add checking here. Okay, should be if new password and confirm password is not match, we cannot send this error, yeah, I think, to front end because this is not good. So I think if okay, wait, if write new password, can save. I want to check here. Okay, but this should be not, yeah, because password mismatch is okay lah, this one I put in here because should ban JSON is error in here, so I just copy here lah ya, because if he in here in the bottom of the should ban JSON, then they will not return the error. Okay, new password and confirmed password do not match. Yes, this is correct, but if we put here, if you are, I think, as I know, yeah, still, because this is not called, okay, then should be good here. I think, yeah, that's all. This is the password reset API, and here current job clean, expired OTP, finish, successfully deleted, rows 3. Yeah, we have the cron daily working. We check in the database. I think the cron daily is the previous episode is working fine, and seeing here OTP code should be only password reset. Yeah, this one, password reset. Okay, I think I need to create another one, right? The cron daily job for password reset. How used 0. Password reset use was 0, and I need to check here. Wait, check again. Sorry, I need to rerun because I was put here, and then rerun. Password not match. I want it as a password match, and password reset successfully. We check here the user to be 1, and we check the OTP. The OTP is in here, is in the main.go. We check first if the OTP password reset is deleted or not. When the cleanup expired, refresh token, cleanup expired OTP. So only OTP codes were expired at now, but we have expired, yeah, this one. Okay, this one should be nice, still working. So I think this one cover all, and see you in the next video. Thank you. I will push this and I will merge pull req first and then merge to the master as always. Thank you.